Tiiny AI Pocket Lab, the world's smallest PC. Today I'm going to show you the smallest AI computer ever made. It fits in your pocket. It runs 100 billion parameter AI models. No cloud, no fees, no one watching your data. It just broke a Guinness World Record. And it might change everything about how you use AI. The device is called the Tiiny AI Pocket Lab. It launched at CES 2026. And here's the thing. It just became the world's official Guinness World Record holder for the smallest mini PC that can run LLMs over 100 billion parameters. Let that sink in. A device you can hold in your hand, runs AI bigger than most cloud systems, locally, offline, no subscription, no data going anywhere. This is huge. And I'm going to break down exactly what it does, why it matters, and how tools like this can completely change how you run your business with AI. Stay with me because later in this video, I'm going to show you how this kind of local AI setup connects to real AI automation use cases for growing a business, so don't skip ahead. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. So what is the Tiiny AI Pocket Lab exactly? Think of it like a tiny supercomputer, the size of a USB stick or a small thumb drive, but it is a full PC. Inside it packs 80 gigabytes of LPDDR5X RAM. That's fast memory, the same class used in high-end laptops, 1 terabyte of SSD storage, a 12-core ARM v9.2 processor. And it supports AI models up to 120 billion parameters. We're talking Llama, Qwen, DeepSeek, Mistral, all the big ones. And it uses AES 256 encryption. That's military-grade encryption. Your data stays safe. Now, here's where it gets interesting for business owners and AI users. You plug this into your laptop or phone via USB-C, works on Mac, works on Windows. You can even run it off a power bank. So you've got a full AI brain in your pocket running anywhere with no internet required. Now, before I go further, if you're watching this and you want to see how AI automation tools like this can help you grow your business, save time, and get more customers, then you need to check out the AI Profit Boardroom. It's the best community for business owners and entrepreneurs who want to use AI the smart way. We cover tools, automation workflows, and real use cases. Link is in the comment and description. So back to the Tiiny AI Pocket Lab. Let's talk about the software. Because the hardware is impressive, but the software is where this thing really shines. It runs something called Tiiny OS. Tiiny OS is the operating system built specifically for this device, and it does a few things that matter a lot. First, it has a model store. Over 50 pre-optimized AI models you can install with one click. We're talking Llama models, Qwen models, DeepSeek, Mistral, all tuned to run well on this device. No setup, no code, just click and go. Second, it has an agent store. These are pre-built AI agents you can run directly on the device. Things like Kylo Code for coding tasks, Silly Tavern for roleplay, and Creative AI. Ragflow for document search. We'll talk more about that in a second. Third, everything runs through a browser-based interface, so you don't need to install anything extra. You connect the device, open your browser, and you're in. That's it. Now let me talk about some of the newer updates because this is where it gets even more exciting. They've added GLM 4.7 Flash, which is described as an uncensored model, meaning fewer restrictions on what you can ask it. They've added Qwen 3 Coder, a model specifically built for writing and understanding code. They've added Zimage Turbo, which means this tiny device can now generate images locally. No Midjourney, no DALL-E, no monthly fees, image generation on your own hardware. And they've added TinyBot, which gives you Telegram integration, so you can literally message your AI agent on Telegram and get answers from your local device. That's wild. Now let me talk about something really important for anyone who's serious about using AI in their business. There's a feature called long-term memory. Here's what it does. You feed the device your files, documents, notes, PDFs, whatever you've got. It indexes all of that locally, and it becomes what they call a private second brain. So imagine this for the AI Profit Boardroom. Let's say you want an AI agent that knows everything about AI automation, all your community notes, all your training docs, all your member resources. You load all of that into the Pocket Lab. Now, when someone asks a question, the AI searches through your local knowledge base and gives a precise answer. No cloud, no data leak, no one else has access to your business knowledge. That's RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation, running locally on a device the size of your thumb. For any business owner with sensitive data, client information, or proprietary processes, this is massive. Let's talk about speed. because one of the biggest knocks on local AI has always been it's slow. Not anymore. Tiiny has built something called TurboSparse. TurboSparse is a technology that dramatically increases how fast the device processes AI responses. We're talking 18 to 40 tokens per second on this tiny device. To put that in perspective, that's fast enough for real-time conversations. You're not sitting there waiting 30 seconds for a response. It's snappy. They also use something called Power Infer, which is a smart system that spreads the AI workload across the CPU, GPU, and NPU of the device. It optimizes every available chip to make the AI run as fast as possible. And the device gets OTA updates over the air. So as new models come out, as new optimizations get released, your device stays current without you having to do anything. Now, I want to take a step back and talk about why this matters for the bigger picture of AI. Right now, most people run AI through cloud services, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, all cloud-based, which means three things. One, you pay monthly fees, those add up. Two, you need internet, no Wi-Fi, no AI. Three, your data goes to someone else's servers for personal stuff that might be fine. But for business, for client data, for sensitive documents, that's a real risk. The Tiiny AI Pocket Lab solves all three problems at once. You buy it once, no monthly AI fees, you run it offline, anywhere in the world. Your data never leaves your device. This is exactly the kind of tool we talk about in the AI Profit Boardroom, how to use AI smarter, cheaper, and in ways that actually protect your business. And here's an open loop I want to come back to. The combination of local AI plus automation workflows is something that most businesses aren't even thinking about yet. Let me give you a real example of how you'd actually use this. Let's say you're running the AI Profit Boardroom community. You've got hundreds of community posts, training documents, SOPs, and member questions. You load all of that into the Pocket Lab using the RagFlow agent. Now you've got a local AI that knows your entire community inside out. It can answer questions, draft responses, suggest content ideas, all from your own data running privately on your device. You then connect TinyBot to Telegram so your team can message the bot and get instant answers while without ever touching a cloud service. You want to generate graphics for your community posts, run Zimage Turbo and generate images locally. You want to write automations or code for your AI workflows. Fire up Qwen 3 Coder and build it out. All of this on one device, in your pocket. That's not a futuristic idea. That's available right now. Now let's talk about getting one. After the CES 2026 launch, Tiiny opened Kickstarter pre-orders. Now here's the honest reality check. This is a Kickstarter product, CES 2026 launch. That means it's cutting edge, but you're also early. The specs are extraordinary for a device this size. The software is real and working. The Guinness World Record is real. But as with any early hardware, shipping timelines, software updates, and real-world performance can vary. Do your research before you commit to the full price. That said, the technology here is legitimate. Local AI is not a gimmick. It's the direction this whole industry is heading, and Tiiny is ahead of the curve. Now, if you want to dive even deeper into AI automation, I've got something special for you. I run a community called the AI Profit Boardroom, the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds with AI automation. Learn how to save time and automate your business with AI tools like Tiiny AI. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and 100 plus AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 45,000 members who are crushing it with AI. The link is in the comments and description.